Hey everyone, and welcome back to the TackleShare YouTube channel. For today's fish craft, we're going to create the perfect game to bring along and play while you're waiting for the fish to bite. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to create your own fish tic-tac-toe set. You'll need a cloth bag, a ruler or straight edge, I've just got a bookmark here, permanent marker. You'll need 10 pebbles that are fairly small and smooth, and you'll need some paint pens, and I've got some fine tip paint pens. To begin, I'm going to draw the tic-tac-toe board onto the cloth bag. Now I drew the lines fairly lightly. To make sure that they don't bleed through to the other side, you could simply just put a piece of paper in between the two sides of the cloth bag. Okay, we'll just set that aside for now. Next, with the 10 rocks here, we'll just decide what sort of a symbol or icon we'll want to draw onto the rocks. 5 of them will be one symbol or icon, and the other 5 will be the other. I'm going to draw some fish and some bobbers onto my rocks. X's and O's. Now the instructions on these paint marker pens indicate that they must be shaken and primed before use. So once you shake the pens, you'll prime them just by putting the tip on a piece of paper until the ink flows through. Now these pebbles I've actually grabbed from the dollar store. They've got a bit of a wax coating on them, but that doesn't seem to affect the design at all. Because I'm going to be adding an eye onto this fish, I'm just going to let the base layer dry. So make sure you give the paint markers or paint pens enough time to dry, especially if you're doing several layers, but also so that the paint doesn't rub off of the rocks. Now I won't do it today, but if you wanted to further protect the designs on your rocks, perhaps grab a clear coat just to make sure that everything is sealed in. And now you're ready to play. And once you've finished creating your fish tic-tac-toe game, take a picture of you and a friend playing and post it on social media. Tag us at TackleShare. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the TackleShare YouTube channel to keep more fishing content coming your way. Still hungry for more? Check out the fun activities posted on the TackleShare website at tackleshare.com/resources. See you next time.